Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open your FxPro account and how you can proceed with the verification process. So first of all, come here on fxpro.com. Over here, either select the option of open a trading account or select the option of register on the top right hand corner. Over here, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply select your country of residence if it doesn't select it automatically. Then you need to provide your email address and create a strong password for your account. Then when you select the option of register with FxPro, on the next page you need to provide your first name, your date of birth and your uh, phone number. After providing that, you just have to again select the option of register. So this way you will be able to register and get access to your FxPro account. Now over here, by default your real account or your account will be created over here. So you can basically add funds into your account in order to basically start trading. But before that, you need to also verify your identity. So over here, when you select the option of trade, it is going to ask you to basically select your verification process, or whenever it shows you to verify your identity, you need to basically proceed with that. In the identity verification, you need to upload some of your documents, upload your national ID or driver's license, and then you need to simply just verify your account. So once it is approved successfully, you will be able to easily trade it over here. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.